What's good, y'all? Welcome back, and we got another recipe that's sure to widen your back. This dish is gonna be perfect for your Sunday dinners. You got the holidays coming up, or just anytime you want some good down-home cooking, right? So we finna be doing some oven-baked turkey wings, cooked low and slow, and this thing is loaded down with flavor all the way to the bone. So we start out with a homemade marinade, and this thing is cooked till falling off the bone. But listen, all the ingredients will be in the description box below. If you ain't already subscribed to the channel, just hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be kept up to date with all the new recipes coming. All right, let's get it.
I do my thing in the kitchen. My name is Cord, I'm for the culture, and I'm here with a vision. We here to talk, chop it up. They say the odds are stacked against us. We ain't seen that bet. And the things we do in kitchens, y'all ain't seen that shit. Yes, Lord, let me talk. Listen, man, we here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. You now turned into Kitchen Culture Podcast.
So we're gonna start out by making our marinade. We're gonna drop in a gang full of some peeled garlic cloves, so a handful. We're dropping in half of a jalapeno. It's up to you if you wanna keep the seeds in there. The more seeds you have, the more heat you're gonna have, so go to your discretion. Then we got half of a green bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, red bell pepper. Then we got some green onion stalks here. Adding half of a white or yellow onion, or even red, just depends on your preference on that. Adding a little bit of fresh thyme, fresh rosemary. Get you a healthy sized spoonful of some ginger paste or minced ginger. Now we're gonna season this up with some salt, a little soy sauce, some black pepper. And then to make this blend smooth, what we're gonna do is add in some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this on up. Forgot to add me some unsalted lemon pepper, so I'm gonna add that on in. Or you get some lemon zest or lemon juice in here. So that's what should be looking like right here. We're doing things just a little bit different, all right? So what we're doing is we're making an injectable marinade for these turkey wings. It just takes the flavor up. It takes the flavor up a whole lot. When I say seasoning down to the itty bitty tiniest part of the bone, that's what we're gonna get with this. So what we got, get your favorite hot sauce. So for this, I'm using Cholula's Chipotle hot sauce. You can also use Louisiana, Crystal, whatever, but get you some hot sauce and get you about close to half a cup. And I'm gonna add in some of my countertop Zesty herb seasoning. Okay. Get that mixed up till it becomes one mixture. All right, load that needle on up. Take your wing or drum, find an injection point, and then just go ahead and give this turkey a quick little BBL. So while this turkey is marinating, that flavor is gonna get everywhere inside of here. Then repeat with the rest of your turkey. All of our turkey wings have been injected and plucked and good to go. So now what we're gonna do is hit these wings with a little light coat of salt, just a little bit, a little pepper. Okay, now go ahead and take that marinade that we made from earlier. We're just gonna go ahead and add that over this. Now we're gonna keep a little bit though. So add about a third to half of that marinade that we made. And go ahead and work your hands on it. We wanna get this over every single turkey wing. You can even put this marinade on like a good snapper or something like that. Okay. Once you got every piece good and coated, what we're gonna do, cover this up and let this marinate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is gonna give you the best results though. Oh, that's gonna be so good. All right, so we're gonna cover this on up. And then we're gonna let these marinate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is gonna be the best results though. So while waiting on that to finish up, you gotta tap in with my cookbook, Kitchen Culture. All right, the best big bag cookbook on the market. I mean, it ain't all big bag recipes. It's like a good 3 vegetable recipes. You know, I kind of felt like I overdid it a little bit, but just let me put you on real quick. So it's all sorts of recipes up in this thing. So you got some buffalo chicken sliders up in there, honey chipotle garlic shrimp, you know what I mean? Cocktails, hey, that's me. Some basil garlic lamb chops, deep fried ribs, you know what I'm saying? It's all sorts of stuff in here, from deep fried goodness to holiday meals, mac and cheese, cocktails. The possibilities is endless. But look, grab you a copy of the book through my YouTube shop or hit the description box below. But back to the recipe though. Okay, so after these wings and got done marinating, that flavor been penetrated through the meat. And we got some now. So look, go ahead and set your wings into a roasting pan or into a baking dish, you know. Being that these wings are extremely big, that's why I'm doing a roasting pan. Now, all this marinade that we made, we're not wasting nothing. So go ahead and pour that directly over these turkey wings, because that's gonna get redistributed right back in. So we're gonna add us in half a stick of unsalted butter. Add you about 2 to 3 cups of some reduced sodium chicken broth. And we're gonna add in some thyme and rosemary sprigs. All right, so our oven is preheated to 375. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up in aluminum foil. And this is gonna bake for about 2 hours. All right, so we'll go ahead and throw these turkey wings in the oven at 375 covered for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Go ahead and take that foil on off. All right, now what I like to do, just add a little bit more of that marinade that we made, right? Just add a little bit more, probably about a cup worth. All right, we're gonna redistribute them juices. Just go ahead and baste each turkey wing real quick first. Right. So now what we're gonna do is bake this uncovered for about 20 to 30 minutes each side. And then we'll be ready to go. All right, what's a good poultry dish without some parsley, right? So go ahead and garnish that on over and we baste. See how it's just falling off the bone? Y'all. Oh yeah, get into this. Ooh. Oh yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord, let me talk. You tuned into the Chef Core in the kitchen. We here for a good time, not a long time. Matter of fact, we here for a great time. Yes, Lord, let me talk.